Have you ever noticed this strange contradiction? You earn more than you did a few years ago. On paper, you're doing fine. And yet, money always feels tight. Not because of one bad decision, not because you're irresponsible, but because of a quiet financial trap most middle-class professionals fall into without realizing it. This isn't about luxury or reckless spending. It's about normal life. Let's take a realistic example. You're in your late 20s or early 30s. You live in the US, the UK, Germany, or another European country. You earn around $70,000 a year or 60,000 euros. After taxes, health insurance, and mandatory deductions, your monthly take-home is roughly $4,000 or 3,500 euros. You don't feel rich, you feel stable. Your rent or mortgage takes about $1,400. Your car payment or lease is $450. Insurance, fuel, and maintenance add another $250. Student loans or personal loans, that's $300. Groceries, utilities, phone, internet, another $600. Now we're already close to $3,000. Then come the quiet things. Streaming subscriptions, occasional eating out, clothes that look professional, a weekend trip, a phone upgrade you technically didn't need. Nothing extravagant, just normal.
At the end of the month, you save maybe $300 if nothing unexpected happens. And this is where the trap lives. The mistake isn't spending too much. The mistake is structuring your life so that almost every dollar already belongs to someone else before you receive it. Rent, car, loans, subscriptions. Your income increases, but your fixed lifestyle quietly expands to absorb it. This isn't an accident. It's how modern consumer systems are designed. Everything is framed as monthly affordability, not total cost. That car payment of $450 feels manageable, but over 6 years, that's $32,000 before insurance, fuel, or repairs. That phone upgrade at $70 a month becomes $4,200 over 5 years. A few subscriptions at $15 to $20 each don't feel serious, but together they quietly remove $1,000 plus per year from your future. Individually, these numbers feel small. Together, they quietly decide your financial ceiling. So why do smart, educated professionals fall into this? Because humans don't feel long-term costs emotionally. We feel monthly comfort. We compare ourselves sideways to coworkers, friends, neighbors, not forward to our future selves. There's also identity pressure. You're not trying to look rich. You're trying to look stable, responsible, adult. A reliable car, a decent apartment, a lifestyle that signals you're doing fine. The trap is that stability becomes expensive when it's financed.
Here's the quiet consequence. When most of your income is pre-committed, you lose flexibility. You can't take career risks. You can't reduce working hours. You can't invest meaningfully. You're not broke, but you're stuck. 10 years pass. Your salary increases, but so does your lifestyle. And real wealth remains something that always feels 5 years away. Financially intelligent people don't necessarily earn more. They structure life differently. They ask a different question, not, can I afford this monthly, but what future options does this remove? They keep parts of their income intentionally unclaimed, not to feel deprived, but to preserve flexibility. They don't rush to convert income into obligations. They treat financial breathing room as an asset, quiet, unimpressive, but powerful over time. This isn't about guilt, and it's not about cutting joy from your life. It's about noticing how easily a comfortable income can quietly turn into a rigid life. The real trap isn't low income. It's a life where every raise disappears before you feel it. Awareness doesn't change everything overnight, but it changes how you see your choices, and that's where real financial intelligence begins. If this way of thinking helped you see money a little more clearly, consider subscribing.